Wow!
Nice.
Did you get it?
I got it, bro.
That's hard for me, dude.
You did it.
And you got it.
I got it.
That could go on YouTube. As far as I got on that one, it's supposed to go like this. Oh, well, not quite. Here and then there.
Nice. I remember that trick.
Yeah, it's a primo, and then back over the other side, and then just a little flip out. I can't do the bigger ones. Some guys, they go like this. They're on it. And then they get back on it with like spinning it really radically. Oh, here, but you take this one. You got it?
I'm on it.
Sissy bounce. Finger flip.
Nice. I got it.
First try anyway, it was a little sloppy.
Sick.